Everyone, today we are learning the subject of a circuit theory or a network analysis on the chapter of your the electrical network parameters. So we will see here the high pass filter numerical. So what is that high pass filter numerical? A prototype high pass filter HPF high pass filter has a cutoff frequency of 10 kilohertz and design the impedance of a 600 ohm. Find the element values of your L and C. Also find the attenuation in the dB and the phase shift in the degree at a frequency of 8 kilohertz. So here 2 to 3 parameter we need to calculate. Number 1 is nothing but you need to calculate the filter element. Okay, what you need to calculate? You need to calculate the filter elements. Which are the filter elements? The filter elements are nothing but L and C. Secondly, you need to calculate the attenuation constant, that is nothing but the alpha, attenuation constant. Secondly, you need to calculate the phase constant, okay, that is nothing but your the beta. So these three parameter you need to calculate. What is the given parameter? FC is given, that is nothing but the cutoff frequency of 10 kilohertz is given. Similarly, the what you can say impedance, which impedance? Design impedance is given, and this network is on the constant K method is used. That's why RK you can mention, that is of a 600 ohm. These two parameters are given. How we can start to simplify for calculating the filter element, that is nothing but L and C. We can start here. The L can be calculated as L is equals to RK divided by 4 pi FC. This is the derived formula, 4 pi FC. RK is nothing but the design impedance. Okay. So in many of the textbook the notation may be different. Okay. So here 600 divided by 4 pi. What is the FC? That is nothing but the cutoff frequency. What is that cutoff frequency which is mentioned here? 10K. So 10 into 10 raised to the power 3. So likewise you can calculate the inductor value 4.77 millihenry. If you do with the calc, you will be able to find 600 divided by 4 pi into 10 raised to the power 3 is nothing but 4.77 millihenry. Similarly, the second parameter, that is nothing but, or the second element, C. C is nothing but the capacitor. So 1 by 4 pi FC into RC, or the RK simply. So what is that? 1 divided by 4 pi into 10 raised to the power 3 into, what is my RK? 600. So likewise if you do with the calc, definitely you will find as 13.26 nanofarad. So these are the formula by which you can simplify easily the inductor value. You can find easily the capacitor value. These two are nothing but the filters. Okay, filter element. Now you just draw which what we need to do here, high pass filter. So we need to design the high pass filter. How we can draw the high pass filter? So I will draw here the high pass filter. So the high pass filter for the T section as well as for the pi section can be drawn here. Here is the T section and here is the, see here, this is the pi which is looking like pi. Similarly here you can do like this also for the T section. Only the change in the series and the parallel arm you can say. So these are the two things. So what we need, this is the capacitor C, here is the 2L, here is the 2L, here will be the 2C, here will be the 2C, and here will be the L. So what you need to do in all cases, you need to note on the values. Okay, you need to note on the values. So what will be the C directly you can note on here the 13.26 nanofarad. Here you need to multiply with the 2. 4.77 need to multiply with the 2 here. And here the 2C means again 2 into 13.26. You need to multiply with the 2 to the capacitor. Likewise, you can substitute the value of the inductor and the capacitor respective, like you are the T and the pi section. This is the pi and this one is the T sections. Okay. Now come toward the next parameter which we need to calculate is nothing but the attenuation constant, which is denoted by the alpha. And for the high pass filter of prototype we need to calculate the alpha. Alpha is equals to 2 cos hyperbolic inverse of FC by F. So what is my FC? Cutoff frequency. What is my F? That is nothing but the normal frequency or the particular frequency. So here 2 into cos hyperbolic inverse of, what is my FC? 10K. 10 into 10K. So here 10K. So here will be this one, and at what particular frequency? That is of a 10K you need to calculate. So 8 into 10 raised to the power 3. So these two cases will be cancelled out. KK will be cancelled out. So 2 cos hyperbolic inverse of 10 by 8. So you will find this value alpha will be equals to 1.386, that is in the Nipper, denoted by n, that is nothing but Nipper. But the question is find out the alpha in dB. So alpha in dB is equals to 8.68 into alpha in Nipper. Okay, so 8.68 into 1.386 you will find as alpha is equals to 12.04 dB. Okay, so in short, this is the formula to calculate the attenuation constant in the high pass filter. Okay, now go towards the third parameter, which is nothing but the phase constant denoted by the beta. Okay, how you can calculate that beta? So beta is equals to, directly you can calculate as a beta, and that beta is equals to, which is mentioned here, pi you can say, because for the high pass filter with the FC cutoff frequency 10K, f is equals to 8 kilohertz lies in the stop band. Okay, so phase shift is the in the stop band, that is nothing but the pi or a 180 degree. Okay, so directly you can note down here the sentence is that beta at 8 kilohertz, beta at 8 kilohertz you can note on here for a high pass filter with FC, and FC is nothing but the 10K, FC is nothing but the 10 kilohertz, and the simply normal frequency is 8 kilohertz. They are lies in stop band. Okay, in the stop band. Therefore this phase shift, that is nothing but the beta is equals to pi or 180 degree, pi or 180 degree. So this is nothing but in terms of degree, that is nothing but the beta is equals to 180 degree in short. So in this way we have simplified three parameters. One is known as the filter elements L and C. Second is nothing but the attenuation constant in the high pass filter and the phase constant in the high pass filter. Like this you can simplify the numerical.